What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the best settings for vlogging in daylight. So let's get to it. So you go to custom, click the little editing sign, you click res/fps, 4K, and 60 frames. When you click on that only gives you the option to go wide. If you go super wide, it's gonna drop you down to 60 frames. 30 frames. You're gonna have hyper smooth on, clips off, zoom and low light is not gonna be available. Bitrate, you wanna run high because you're running 4K. Shutter 1/960. Or you can go 1/480 depending on the light outside or the shading. EV comp, put that at 0. White balance, import the videos onto your computer and then edit them and do some coloring corrections. But if not, go ahead and click auto. ISO min 100, ISO max, you bump that down to 200 when it's daylight outside. Sharpness, we can do high, since if you're not editing color. GoPro, raw audio off. Wind auto. So normal vlogging outside in daylight, not much editing besides trimming. You're gonna want resolution of 4K with 60 frames. The lens is wide, hyper smooth on, clips off, bitrate high, shutter auto, EV comp 0, white balance auto, ISO min 100, ISO max 200, sharpness on high, color on GoPro, raw audio off, and wind on auto. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you can stay in tune on the next video I post. So I see you guys in the next one. Peace.